Sudoku friends, welcome today on Sunday. We have here an additional in the yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, August the 26th, 2023. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saifa block, in Japanese Suguru. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, yeah. Sometimes they call it tectonic. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, let me see. This one will be number, I believe, number 6991. 6991, yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be a 1 star or 0 stars. I believe 0 stars. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time for solving that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 6 and 7. We have 6 and 7 in this big square, so no 6 and 7 in these 3 boxes. 6 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in the third row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle, second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7, okay. Then 2, 2, need a 9 here, need a 8 here, 6, come on, 4, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. Here 4 in the second row. No 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then let me think. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. See here 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Okay. And now 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. See here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Then cannot continue with 4. Well, not true. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And oh wait, and all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright, 8, 8. Let me think. 9, the 3 in this column, the 3, the column next. So in the last column, the only place left on 3 should be there. We have a pair, 2 and a 3 in this row, 2 and a 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes there. 9 and 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 6, 6, okay. Then need a 2 here. 2, 3, and the 7. Come on. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. I need a 7 there. Yeah. 7, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 7 and the 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 and a 3. I need a 6 here. 6, 6, okay. 2, 2. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Still cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Here are also 2 missing numbers, the 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 and 3, we have 3 now in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, only place left for 8 should be there. 2 and 8. We have 8 now in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you, should be a 0 star. Not a 3 stars, but a 0 stars Sudoku. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.